Creating an archive from a directory without the directory name being added to the archive. I have the following folder structure. Root folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, 7za.exe. I want to run the 7-zip command line tool to compress all the files in folder 1 to a zip file called folder1.zip. Running the following produces a zip file as expected. However, when I open the zip file, it has a folder in it called folder 1, and inside that I have all the files that were inside that folder. I don't want the folder name added to the zip folder, i.e. I would like to add all the files in a flat file format. I also don't want to recursively run the command line tool for each individual file/folder. Is there a switch that provides this functionality?
From the 7-zip help file. A. Add. Command adds files to archive.example7za archive1.zip subdir / adds all files and subfolders from folder subdir to archive1.zip. The file names in archive will contain subdir / prefix.7za archive2.zip. /subdir / adds all files and subfolders from folder subdir to archive2.zip. The file names in archive will not contain subdir / prefix. cd/dc:\dir1 /7za c:\archive3.zip dir2 dir3 The file names in archive c: /archive3.zip will contain dir2 dir3 prefix, but they will not contain c: dir1 prefix. So the command you'd want would be 7za.exe a folder1.zip /folder1 /. Also, pay attention to 7-zip's handling of wildcards. It doesn't treat as all files, it means all files with a period in the file name. Extension-less files will be missed. If you really want all files, just use instead. Finally, the zip parameter isn't needed if the archive file name ends in .zip. 7-zip is smart enough to figure out which format you want in those cases. It's only required when you want a custom extension, for example 7za.exe at zipfoo.zippy for a Mozilla add-on. This worked for me. Consider folder structure like c: /parent /subfolders. And you want to create parent.zip which will contain all files and folders c: /parent without parent folder, i.e. it will start from subfolders. This will create parent.zip in c: /parent.
Just to expand on the accepted answer, I was not able to add comment there. On Linux adding didn't work for me, so I ended up concocting more verbose command line which gave desired result. Equals. Script explanation. Save current dir path to use later. Navigate to directory which needs to be archived. Create archive. Notice ... In the end, go back to the original dir, get rid of the variable which stored original dir path. I hope it might be useful for somebody.
If you want to switch up, you can use a button.